Good afternoon, respected members of the press. It's a privilege for us to be present here under the aegis of the Journalist Union of Sikkim. And this is the Futsal Association of Sikkim. I'm the president, Dr. Raymond Chetri. And with me, I have my General Secretary, Dr. Binoy Upreti, and Executive Member, Mr. Karma Dadul. So we are here gathered to announce the event which is known as Fit for Life. Fit for Life is an event which was powered, it was a think tank between Karma Palzor, the famous CNN IBN reporter who happens to run the East Mojo channel, and Futsal Association of Sikkim. So we were just having a talk, and then we thought that sports and all the other community activities have taken a downward curve because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So we thought to inculcate the sense of fitness, to make sure that people are into the fitness groove, we thought we could do something. So inspiration can be derived from a lot of online competitions that happen with music and other performing arts. So fitness was something that we wanted to bring it on an online platform. So that is why the Fit for Life has been decided, and we are here today where we are proudly announcing that the title sponsor has been given by the state government. So we will be launching that as well, that the title sponsor for the Fit for Life event will be by the Sikkim State's Youth and Affairs Department, and it is powered by East Mojo all over the Northeast. So this is a mega fitness event for the Northeast of India. So it is powered by East Mojo, which is a Northeast media house, and we have the nutrition partner as Steadfast Nutrition, and we have the sports partner as Decathlon. So they'll be providing the gift hampers for the winners and all that. So the competition is all about you're 2 minutes into the video. You can put up any event which is indicating towards fitness. Say for example, your push-ups, your pull-ups, your burpees, lunges, inside the house activities, or if you've got talents with dribbling, anything of that sort, whatever comes under the broad range of fitness can be demonstrated by all the participants. And the links are already given. We have given out as the East Mojo page also, where the participants will have to register themselves and then they will get into the act of fitness. जुन चाहिँ एउटा अनलाइन मेगा फिटनेस इभेन्ट छ, यसको लागि पार्टिसिपेसनको लागि हाम्रोमा लिंक्स छ। तपाईले आफ्नो 2 मिनेट 120 सेकेन्डसम्मको भिडियो बनाउन सक्नुहुनेछ र त्यो भिडियोलाई तपाईले शेयर गर्नुपर्छ, ट्याग गर्नुपर्छ फिट फर लाइफ #EastMojo #Futsal Association of Sikkim, एन्ड त्यो पेज जुन चाहिँ छ त्यसमा तपाई रेजिस्टर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। अनि त्यहाँबाट तपाईको फर्दर अन तपाईको भिडियो अपलोड भएपछि लाइक्स, सब्स्क्राइबिङ एन्ड कमेन्ट्स त्यसमाथि पनि तपाईको जजिङ बेस्ड हुनेछ। अनि ज्युरी मेम्बर्स, हाम्रो ज्युरी मेम्बर्सहरु पनि हुनुहुन्छ। फुटसल एसोसिएसनबाट एकजना हाम्रो टेक्निकल एडभाइजर हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँ इज वन अफ द ज्युरी मेम्बर्स। देन वी हैव अदर पीपल फ्रम द नॉर्थ ईस्ट and one from the press house also, who will be the jury members for deciding the winners of the event. So यसरी नै तपाईको पहिला लाइक्स, कमेन्ट्स एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब अनलाइन हो, त्यसले गर्दाखेरि एन्ड तपाईको यो जुरीबाट पनि डिसाइड भएर फाइनली वी विल कम आउट विथ द विनर्स।
To understand what really is the motive behind organizing this. Is it for the promotion of Futsal Association of Sikkim or sports in general?
The main idea behind this is again to inculcate a sense of fitness, to promote sports, to promote fitness, that despite the lurking pandemic, we are also still alive and kicking. That was one of the major goals that we wanted to achieve. The second is, yes, promotion of the sport as a whole and fitness as a whole, because it is not only pertaining to futsal right now. Futsal Association of Sikkim is just one of the body that is trying to push forward this collaboration, but any kind of sport. For example, if you are a boxer, you can do your jabs and you can show us whatever you are good at. जे पनि तपाईको फिटनेसमा राम्रो हुनुहुन्छ तपाईले हामीलाई देखाउन सक्नुहुनेछ र winners will be decided on that. Association of Sikkim is a registered body, and we were formed as a formal association in the year 2017 under the Department of Law and Parliamentary Affairs. Since then, we have been doing our own bit, although we've not had much support from others, but within our own members, we've been able to send 3 teams for the nationals. That is under the Futsal Association of India. The first nationals was in 2017 Goa, the second was 2018 Cochin, and again 2019 Bengaluru. Out of which, from the Bengaluru and the Cochin counterparts, we've had selections into the Indian team. The boys from Sikkim, almost 4 or 5 of them, were selected for the Indian national camp, out of which 3 boys from Sikkim and the coach from Sikkim have represented the country in the World Cup at Colombia. So this was 2019, the end of 2019, where the boys went to Colombia and they participated, and I must proudly announce that out of the 13 goals that India scored, 11 were done by our boys. So that is why Sikkim Futsal has a very high respect in terms of the national association is concerned. The president, the general secretary and the national body, they always look forward to Sikkim for participation, for sending our boys there, and this is definitely a better avenue for the young lads here in Sikkim as well. 300 वटा एन्ट्रिज अल ओभर द नर्थ इस्ट भएर आइसकेको छ. सो त्यसबाट हामीले अब इस्ट मोजो पेजमा गएर हामीले आफ्टर 2nd of October आई थिङ्क दि अदर सेकेन्ड हाफ अफ द टुर्नामेन्ट विल गो अन, अदर अनलाइन फिटनेस इभेन्ट विल गो अन.
यो रेजिस्ट्रेसन चाहिँ ओन्ली अनलाइन हुन्छ कि अफलाइन पनि हुन्छ?
रेजिस्ट्रेसन बिकज इट इज एन अनलाइन मेगा प्लेटफर्म, इट इज नट अफलाइन. अनलाइन नै तपाईँले रेजिस्टर गर्नुपर्छ, आफ्नो नाम डिटेल्सहरू हाल्नुपर्छ. त्यो पेजमा सबै इट्स भेरी इजिली गिभन, एन्ड इस्ट मोजो पेजमा एभ्रिथिङ इज देयर, विच वी विल सेयर द लिङ्क विथ द मिडिया हाउसेस अल्सो, दे क्यान स्प्रेड इट फर्दर.
Do you pay something for that?
No, the entry is free. The entry is free. The participants don't have to pay anything for this. And once if they are decided as winners, then they'll get cash prizes and gift hampers from our partners.
Yeah.
The
How and when do we know कि अब हाम्रो भयो भनेर?
correct. So यसको लागि चाहिँ it was informally launched on 10th of September, which is still going on. अहिले पनि हामीले बाँडि नै राखेको छौँ, मिडिया हाउसेसहरूबाट पनि स्प्रेड गर्दैछौँ, र यो प्रेस कन्फरेन्सको माध्यमबाट चाहिँ अझै यसलाई हामी माइलेज दिने, अगाडि बढाउने, र 2nd Octoberसम्म we will be taking in entries, and after that about 15 daysको भित्रमा हामी फेरि विनर्सहरू पनि अनाउन्स गर्नेछौँ.
15 days.
Within a matter of 15 days we will be doing that. होइन, यो अब राउन्ड वाइज त गर्नु अहिले मुनासिब छैन हामीसँग. सो वाट वी आर डुइङ इज वान टाइम एन्ट्री, देन उसको लाइक्स कमेन्ट्सबाट पनि द नम्बर अफ लाइक्स दे विल बी एबल टु गार्नर, and after that the jury will decide. So it is a mix of both, but they are not 2-3 rounds, which is a good idea. We can have it in the later part if still the pandemic lurks and we cannot have physical congregations, then I'm sure we'll have to do something of that sort. Thank you for the advice.